Hello, my name is Count Dracula, and today we're going to be making a cookie on a keychain, my favorite snack. So, first thing to do is we're going to get a blob of black clay. This is called Sculpey. It's my favorite thing to do when I'm not sucking the blood out of innocent people. I'm going to mush it together into a shape of some sort, and then we're going to show it what it's like to be a human. We're going to just flatten it, really hurt it. Make sure it feels the pain that we feel every day. And then we're going to bake it for 5 minutes on 275 degrees Fahrenheit to make it easier to cut. And then when it's back, we're going to just really torture it, really show it who's boss. Show it what it means. Just cut it up, really hurt it. Ruin its day. Make it feel not too great about being here today. That's good. That's the stuff. Now once it's nice and chopped up, we're ready to completely ignore it and work on something else entirely. We cut a blob of skin-colored clay that is from a non-human source that we didn't get from her. This is not real human flesh. You can't accuse me of anything. And we're going to mush it up with our hands. Now what's important is you might get a better mushing if you have a really nice nail polish on, like I do. We're just gonna slam that clay into the other black stuff and just absorb it. Just really absorb the black stuff into the skin-colored stuff. Just really make it feel suffocated, if it isn't dead already. This is what I like to do when I'm bored. Once it's nice and really squashed in there, we're gonna roll it in our hands. We're going to roll it in our hands and make sure it's nice into a ball this time. Gonna keep rolling it. And we're going to keep rolling it some more. And then we're going to stop rolling it and push the black stuff to the side. Because we've done enough today. Then we're going to flatten it out with this thing that flans things. This kind of transparent thing that we flatten things with. We're going to flatten that out. Then we're going to make it into a circle shape, roughly, I think. And we're going to pad it with the sides, and we're going to keep padding on the sides. And then we're going to take a metal thing and pliers. We're going to take pliers and a thin metal piece, and we're going to bend it. We're going to bend the metal piece. We're going to bend the thin metal piece. And we're just going to stab it right into the thing, hopefully getting the black stuff in the process, because it knows what it did. It knows. Then we're going to get more of the skin-colored clay. And we're just going to just put more on around the metal piece area. Because, you know what I mean, of course. I know what I'm talking about. Then we take some more of the black stuff, and we just pad it, just stick it in. Just stick it on the outside, so we can see. So everybody can see what it did. It was a bad boy, and now it's getting punished. Okay, we're still sticking it in to the thing. Oh, now we're taking a tinfoil ball. We're going to just lightly tap it all over the place. And this would normally give someone excruciating pain, which is what we're trying to do over here to this cookie. Now we take whatever this is, and we're just going to shave off a little bit of the brown stuff to a nice little pile with our X-Acto knife. Then we take a paintbrush, which has clearly been used before, and we're just going to paint this skin-colored thing brown. A nice brown color. You know, the kind that makes you hungry. A real good brown. You know that good brown? Real dark brown. Brown. Once it's all painted, we're going to keep painting it. And we're going to paint near the keychain area, the metal piece. And we're going to pat it around again. Yep, and then we're gonna give it excruciating pain with the tinfoil bowl again. Ah, yes. Now we're poking a hole in the keychain area, I suppose. Oh, now we're going to bake it in the oven on 275 for 25 minutes. And then it should be fully baked. We're going to be using some matte varnish. Some Duraclear matte varnish, to be specific. And I surely know what that means. We're gonna paint it like last time, but this time with Duraclear matte varnish. And we're gonna keep painting it with Duraclear matte varnish. And we're gonna get our pliers again, for some reason. And a keychain. We're going to get a keychain and a pliers. And we're going to put it into the cookie and use that ring for some reason. I'm not sure what that does, but I'm sure it's important. And we're going to clip it on. We're going to clip the keychain onto the metal piece. And there we go. There we have it. You now have a keychain with a thing on it.